What's going on, everybody? It's been about a year since I've done any kind of video on the truck, and the last few videos on this truck I did pretty good. So I'm gonna make like a kind of 1 year update, 1 year ownership update type thing. I'm gonna also do some exhaust clips, exhaust revs, stuff like that. That'll be towards the end of the video. I'll have a timestamp for that. But the first thing I'm gonna do is go over some of the exterior stuff I've done to it, and then we'll get into the exhaust clips. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the front end of the vehicle. The first thing I did was get a new grille. I didn't like the old silver grille, so I went ahead and got a black one, and I also did the emblem overlay here in the front. Then I also had a chrome bumper guard here, and I replaced that with a black one as well. The metal one was kind of bent up and had some dents, so took that old one off, put the new one in, and it looks pretty good. And me personally, I would have left this off, but the problem was the previous bumper guard was tightened down too tight, and you can see there's some scrapes right here, and there's another one here. So I didn't want to leave it like that. I didn't think it would look ugly, so I just went ahead and put another one on here. And then going into the next thing, I also put these new headlights in. As you can see, they're kind of full of bugs right now, but I did these black interior headlights. And same thing right here. And yeah, that's about it for the front of the vehicle. So I think it added some spice to it. I think it needed it. And like I said, I didn't like the front end of the truck to begin with, so I think it looks a lot better now. And moving on to the side of the truck, as you can see, I got the XD series rims here. I'm not exactly sure what size these are. These were put on here by the previous owner, and I just kept them. The tires are Nitto all-terrains. They're 305 by 55 R20, and yes, these do rub a little bit. I've got a 2-inch leveling kit in the front and a 1-inch block in the back. I plan on going up to 3-inch in the front though, so hopefully that'll fix that problem. But yeah, I really like the tire and rim setup. I think it makes it look aggressive. The next thing I did was emblem and badge overlays. I got the 5.7 tag there, the Tundra tag there, and then the SR5 sticker there, and it's the same thing for the other side. Alrighty, so moving on to the rear of the truck, and this is probably my favorite modification I've done to it. These smoked taillights here. These were Amazon taillights. They were about 50 bucks for both. They're plug and play LED for the brake lights. The reverse lights, I put some LEDs in there, and then I had the stock just halogen turn signal bulb in there. I'll have some clips of these at night at the end of this, at the end of the video to show you guys what they look like. I think they look great. They're probably my favorite part of everything I've done exterior-wise to this vehicle. And then here's the other side. I think these things look really nice. And other than that, I haven't really done much of anything else to the rear. Everything else is pretty much the same. I kind of want to go black on the bumper, so that might be in the works in the future. But that's about it for the exterior stuff. One more thing I forgot to add in was the window tint. I have 5% all around, front windows, back windows, and back glass. The only different one is the front windshield, which is 20%. And you can't see a thing through these windows. It's kind of crazy. It's a little sketchy at night, especially when it rains, but I can see fine when it comes to, you know, your average day of driving, but you cannot see a thing from the outside. It's crazy. It's really dark. And last but not least, the exhaust. What I currently have on there is a rear cat delete with a Flowmaster Super 10 dual in, dual out, and I'm doing a side exit behind the tire right here with 6-inch rolled tips. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the underneath. As you can see, there's one cat there, one cat there. That's a new converter. My old one went out, so I had to get that one replaced. These aren't high flow or anything. These are just regular converters. And then back here, We got the Flowmaster Super 10 dual in, dual out. And then we go back here for the 6-inch duals out the back. So that's the setup. I'm gonna go ahead and film some clips and put these in the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day.